All right, there's Rod. There he is.
Okay, we're going to do the Pledge of Allegiance. Hats off, face the flag, hands across your hearts. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, America!
Very good. Thank you so much, Rod Dixon from the Hooligans. I want to thank PCTV for being here. Comfort Vision, thank you for videotaping every week. I appreciate you. I want to thank the Boy Scout Troop 1103.
Yeah!
Let's hear the Boy Scouts.
Former Boy Scout. Oh, the Boy Scouts for life.
I'm going to honor a veteran.
Boy Scouts for life.
I'm short-handed tonight. Sorry about that.
Okay, so we're going to honor a veteran next.
Okay, the veteran I want to honor tonight is very near and dear to my heart. He's a Surf City Classic guy, and he's just a wonderful guy all around. He was in the Army for how many years? Don? How many years were you in the Army for? He was in the Army for 6 years. Thank you for your service. On behalf of Historic Garden Grove Main Street, we'd like to honor you tonight as our Veteran of the Month.
Hey, no! Oh, now you got some hold of beer. Look at that.
A keychain and a plaque, and thank you for your service. Don Dorsey, Surf City Classic, supports Willie's Auto Service.
All right,
He's
now.
just an honest guy, a great guy, and he does so much for the car show, advertising for me. And let's hear it for Don Dorsey.
Hey, Don!
And we have his buddy Lewis here. They met a while back, right?
I know this guy
And
too.
they just became best buds, and now they go to every car show together. And I think you're fantastic, Lewis, too. So thank you for that, for watching out for our Don Dorsey.
Thank you.
Love you, and I'll give you a kiss. All right, fantastic. Thank you everyone for coming out. The Neptunes will be playing in just a few minutes, but I really wanted to honor Don Dorsey tonight, so thank you for that, guys. Thank you.
Thank you,
Boy
Don.
Scout Troop 1103, you guys rock. I have something for you, so hang on.
Did you know about this?
Oh yeah, last week.
I'm going to donate $100 to the
No wonder you wanted me to stay here.
Nobody knew nothing.
Car show.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
I don't want to kiss you after I kiss him, so I'm going to kiss next one. On the cheek.
Dang, dang. Give me one there, Don. Big smile. There we go. Thank you,
All
sir.
right, look back at me real quick. Thank you.